And right here, folks, we have the very massive, very beautiful Cleo Callyn. And as you can see, she is quite a massive size at about 2 feet tall. And if we also take a closer look at those canes, you see them right there. She does have quite a lot of them with such an aggressive root system as well. She is growing right outside of her pot, quite a gal that likes to roam. Now, you guys want to know exactly how aggressive is she as a grower? Well, oh me, oh my. If you see on this side right here, she actually has 5 leads in total. Now, if we turn her around to the other side, you are actually going to see round about 6 leads in total. So that indeed indicates exactly how aggressive she is as a grower, and also indicates that she can grow from many different directions, growing new pseudobulbs such a speedy rate. So indeed, mass, yes, she does have, because she also has these long canes and these elongated leaves, and again measuring at about 2 feet tall. So this gal is going to need a lot of elbow space to grow. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about exactly what type of bloomer this gal is, because I have to tell you, she is quite a rewarding gal in the aspect of really giving you a tremendous amount of blooms. As a matter of fact, once you have an orchid of this size, once you have an orchid that is mature enough and established enough, she will actually want to bloom for you off of every new pseudobulb. So again, she is quite rewarding in the love that she gives. You can be rest assured, for the love and the care that you give her, she will give it right back to you in bloom form. Oh, but there's so much more, folks, because not only is she generous in the fact that she loves to give off blooms off of every new pseudobulb, but check this out. She also loves to bloom in sets of up to 3, as you can see right here, or even 4 blooms, as you can see right here, 1, 2, and 3, and also this would be the 4th one still in bud. So she does give an abundance amount of blooms as well, and very nice size, I might add. And now let's go ahead and take a closer look, more of an in-detail view, and show you exactly what these blossoms are all about. Now, as you're seeing as the backdrop color, a very pastel, creamy, yellowish green in that backdrop, and then you're also seeing that very nice magenta color right there also on the tips of her petals. So indeed, nice splashes of color on the tips and the rims of those petals and sepals. And then if we take a look at her actual lip right here, it's a very deep, rich, raspberry-like in color all around her lip. And then taking a very close look, you are also seeing that very, very rich, almost fluorescent, very cheery yellow right in the center of her throat. Indeed, bringing together such a beautiful color combination with such wonderful and lovely splashes. Indeed, this is quite a beauty right here. And let us not forget to mention that she is also fragrant as well. Indeed, nice size blooms. I would have to say about 3.5 to maybe 4 inches in diameter. She does give quite a wonderful and very lovely display. So many things going on with this Cleo Callyn. Very phenomenal, very spectacular, very large growing orchid. So if you guys appreciate orchids that can give off blooms throughout the entire plant, this Cleo Callyn would be an orchid that you would want to consider. And that, my friend, is a complete orchid in review wrap. Now you guys have got to tell me exactly what do you think about this Cleo Callyn right here. Do you guys love it just as much as I do? And I do have to give a quick shout out to Chenault in Kentucky, who is the lucky winner of this orchid right here. Congratulations to you, my friend, and I do hope you love it just as much as I do. Now, if you guys love these types of orchids and are looking to purchase them, please be sure to check me out on my eBay site, where I do have some pretty phenomenal orchids, as you see right here. And my user ID on eBay is My Adventures. But if you guys want to check me out in an easier manner, you can click right below on the link that I will show you in the description, and you'll be able to find me as well. Thank you guys so much, and as you guys already know, I do truly love you guys all. Mwah!